my name is Scott Hamilton. I'm a global product manager for TE Connectivity, and now I'd like to introduce you to TE's LUMAWISE Endurance N C136.10-Compliant receptacle assemblies. TE Connectivity's LUMAWISE Endurance N portfolio for street and area lighting applications is broad, offering C136.41 compliant receptacles in 3 configurations. They are standard, rotatable, and toolless rotatable. Highlighted here are our C136.10 compliant 3-position receptacle assemblies. These assemblies utilize the same Endurance N C136.41 receptacle housings you're familiar with. However, they're only loaded with the 3 robust twist lock power contacts that make them C136.10 compliant. The power contacts are terminated to 105 or 150 degrees C insulated wire pigtails and are available pre-mounted into a bracket as an option for ease of remote mounting a lighting control module. For more information, visit te.com and type in LUMAWISE Endurance N, then click on Products or Information in the top right, or reach out to your local TE representative.